Hello Tomodachi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back on another budget adventure.
Tomodachi! Imagine finding a supermarket in Tokyo where you can buy seasonings for 9 yen, sauces for 85 yen, and giant gochujang for only 430 yen. Sounds impossible, right? But today, we found a hidden budget supermarket in Itabashi, Tokyo that locals love. And if you're traveling in Japan and want to save money on food, this place might become your new favorite spot. Let's check out Maruyasu Supermarket in Takashimadaira.
We are now on our way to Maruyasu Supermarket. This is a small supermarket but it is budget friendly and has a lot of discounts. So come with me and let's see what deals we can find. Let's go!
My mom always on the lookout for budget supermarkets in Japan. And this time, my dad actually discovered one nearby here in Takashimadaira, Itabashi City. So today, we decided to check out this supermarket and see what kind of cheap groceries we can find. And of course, we are also on the hunt for cheap rice because recently the price of rice in Japan has been going up. So let's go inside and see what treasures we can find. Before we start shopping, let me tell you a little about this place. Maruyasu Supermarket is a local discount grocery chain in Tokyo, mostly found in residential neighborhoods like Itabashi. Unlike big supermarkets like Aeon and Seiyu, Maruyasu focuses on budget groceries and everyday essentials. Most of their customers are local residents, families, and seniors who want affordable food. And one thing you'll notice here is that many products are lesser known local brands. That's actually the reason why the prices here are much cheaper than other supermarkets. Think of it like a treasure hunt for budget groceries.
Alam niyo ba dito sa Japan sobrang mahal ng bigas? Kaya ngayon sa Maruyasu pupunta tayo para mamili ng murang bigas.
Recently, Japan has been experiencing rising food prices, especially rice. Rice is a staple food in Japan, and prices have been increasing due to several factors. First, higher production costs like fertilizer and transportation. Second, climate changes affecting rice harvests. And third, the weaker yen, which increases import costs. Because of this, many Japanese households are now becoming more budget conscious when grocery shopping. That's why supermarkets like this are becoming more popular with locals. People are looking for ways to save money while still cooking meals at home. And that's exactly why we're here today. Alright Tomodachi, let's start exploring. First up, cooking ingredients and condiments. And right away, we found something interesting. This truffle dressing for only 85 yen. Now for sure, this is probably not real truffle, but it definitely mimics the truffle flavor. For 85 yen, not bad at all. Next, we found yuzu dressing for 214 yen and another garlic dressing for 106 yen. So far, the items here are really cheap. Like seriously cheap. Check this out. Different seasoning mixes for only 85 yen. Perfect for your choice of protein like chicken, pork, or beef. They even have flavors like barbecue, Asian stir-fry, tacos. And speaking of tacos, they also have taco seasoning for only 9 yen. 9 yen Tomodachi. Grabe talaga. They even have clearance items on sale, so if you look carefully, you might find even cheaper products. Another great find here is the mapo tofu sauce for 63 yen. Perfect for a quick meal. And this chili sauce for only 85 yen. Most of the items in this area are condiments and cooking sauces, which is actually great if you enjoy cooking at home. You can easily create different flavors without spending too much money. Look at this! A 3kg tub of gochujang for only 430 yen. If you love Korean food, this is definitely a must-buy Tomodachi. Imagine making bibimbap, tteokbokki, or Korean barbecue at home. This will probably last you a very long time. More condiments here. We love this chili powder. They also have wasabi, gyoza sauce, soy sauce, marinades, cooking oil, and even salsa dip. So far, we can say that most of the items here are really budget friendly. But we noticed something interesting. Most of the brands here are local or lesser known brands, not the popular big brands. And that might be the reason why the supermarket can offer lower prices.
Super mura. However, yung mga brands nila Iba parang mga local brands or hindi masyadong known brands. Ay, may Milo rin.
And of course, you can also find canned tuna here. We're actually curious if the taste and quality are good. We might try this next time. Sometimes, these local brands surprise you.
Takoyaki powder. 322 yun.
They also have a lot of ready-made sauces and instant miso soup. Perfect for busy people who want to cook but don't have a lot of time. Just add tofu or vegetables and you're good to go. Very convenient. Another thing we notice here, you can find random items like skincare products. For example, the Sika face mask. And for coffee lovers, they have instant coffee and coffee beans here too for an affordable price. So it's not just groceries. Sometimes you'll find unexpected items.
Coffee grounds. Mura. 500 grams lang. 10 on coffee. 538. Kiko. Sarap kaya ito. Coffee. Grounds din. Tea coffee. 430 yan.
Let me show you more. They have pasta and pasta sauces like marinara sauce. Of course, di mawawala ang cup ramen. They actually have a good selection here. And for our kababayan, they have Nissin Cup Seafood. Perfect for pasalubong. And the price here is much better than Konbini.
160. Okay na. 160 yan. Pwede na rin to. 139.
Pero parang expiration na parang
Sale ba siya? Yan. Normal. Mura na to. 139.
bilang kita.
No.
Chips, ano to? Chichirya sa isda.
Chips for snacking? Yes, please. And the prices here are definitely cheaper than convenience stores. To pair with your snacks, they also have bottled drinks. Tomodachi, if you're traveling in Japan, I highly recommend buying your snacks and drinks from supermarkets instead of konbini. You can save a lot of money.
Ay, mga sembe. Rice crackers sa baba. Ay, tinakot. Ano to?
Cashew.
Yung packaging nyo. Nakakatawa.
Ano chocolate na?
Mura oh. 106 yan. Sa ibang mall. Or supermarket, 150. Mura ma, sobra.
230. Plus yata yan sa iyon.
Magkano yan?
199. So, after taxes, 214.
199 pero sa vending machine, 230 yen. Tapos yung sa ibang supermarket, 213. Ang addict sa Monster.
Addict kami ng kapatid. Kasi na namin.
Cafe latte.
99 lang, oh.
106 yen.
Freya found these butter cookies. And surprisingly, they were really good for the price. Sometimes, the cheap snacks are actually the best finds. We also found some small snacks perfect for beer, like beef jerky, nuts, and edamame. Perfect for a night drink at home.
Ito ba? 193 yen. Damami. Supplements. Ay, may Dars sa baba. Ayan, Dars, oh. 106 yen. Pwede na. For only 10 yen. Ano to? Juice or something? I don't know. But it's only 10 yen. Mga wipes. More snacks dito. I think this is wafer. For 214 yen. For baking stuff. Dito. Mura. Tapos dito mga nuts. Olives. Fruit aids.
By the way, Tomodachi, if you enjoy Japan food trips, budget finds, and hidden local spots like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I share affordable places and travel tips around Japan that can help you enjoy Japan without spending too much. And we were actually surprised to see this. Mamacita's Kare Kare Mix, a Filipino brand. Since they carry Korean products, it makes sense they also have other Asian items. But still, super random find. Want a cute souvenir? Check this out. A soy sauce bottle with cute packaging. Perfect pasalubong. There are really so many things to discover here. Shopping in the supermarket feels like a mini treasure hunt. Some items are even placed randomly, so you never know what you'll find next. On this side, they have gummies and candies with really kawaii packaging. Perfect pasalubong for kids or even kids at heart like us.
Mga candies. Plum. Or peach. Apple. Furikake. 485 yen. Ano ba? Cheese bread? Cheese nga.
And that's our quick exploration of Maruyasu Supermarket in Takashimadaira. We will absolutely come back here again. Now it's time to check out. And don't forget to bring your eco bag, Tomodachi. Unfortunately, the cheap price was already sold out when we got here.
Kamusta?
Same yun lang lahat yun. May gift. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung short shopping trip natin dito sa Maruyasu, Tomodachi. And sana nakakita kayo ng mga product na gusto niyo bilhin sa susunod. Matan eh!